call it the Beast. It's actually got a nickname.
We had quite an expensive car repair needing to be done.
It was shock absorbers, oil was leaking, and it was really, really bad.
I didn't see this hump in the middle of the road, and I kind of crashed into it.
The repair cost was going to be really, really high.
Because I work from home, it's really important for me to be able to get in and out quickly in between my client work.
I use it for work, to do the school runs.
I've got 2 kids and I've got to travel for work as well. Without the car, it would be really, really difficult.
I'm a single parent, couldn't afford to repair it.
Garage recommended that we use bumper to spread the costs of the payments.
Mercedes did a very good job. It was done very quickly, very well, and Bumper paid for everything.
It was just setting up a direct debit and then the payments came out on a monthly basis.
It gives you that peace of mind. You don't have to worry about where am I going to get the money there and then. Then you have your car ready to go.
If you've got the opportunity to spread the cost of a large payment interest-free, you might as well do it.
I don't have to worry if the car breaks down. I know Bumper is there to the rescue.
Because I've had such a good experience, I would recommend them without any hesitation, definitely.
You don't know what's going to happen, do you? You don't know what you might need your money for. Your roof might blow off. You never know.